Okay, children, today we will be discussing the concept of data files. So, first of all, what are files? See, files are the sequence of bytes stored on some storage medium. If I talk about the types of files, there are basically two types of files. The first one is your program files, and the second one is your data file. Let us talk about both type of files. When we talk about the program files are those files which store some instructions. The instructions which will be executed by the system. See, this is an example of a program file. This type of file you will be creating in this chapter. Another type of file is your data file. Data file stores some information, some data. An example of a data file is this one. This is an Excel sheet which is storing certain data. This is your data file. These are not the instructions, these are the values. Right? Now moving on to the concept of to the types of data files. Right? We have seen what is a data file. Now we will see how many types of data files are there. Now data files are again of two types. The first one is your text file and the second one is your binary file. Right? Now let us differentiate between the two types of data files. When we talk about the difference between text and binary file, see, text file, the data is stored in the format, in the ASCII format, that is in the same format in which you type it. So what you will see in the text file will be exactly same as you have typed. But in binary file, the data is stored in the binary form. And another important difference between the text file and the binary file is that in case of text file, each line is terminated with the end of line character, which is known as EOL character. By default, the end of line character is \n, that is new line character. However, this end of line character is not present in binary file. Now since the text file contains end of line character, so whenever the reading or writing to the text file is done, this character will be read, and whenever this end of line character will be read, internal translations will take place. So in text file there are certain internal translations, whereas in binary files there are no internal translations. Because of the internal translations, the text files are slower, while the binary files are faster. Now text files are easily portable, whereas binary files are not easily portable because binary language is platform dependent language. Right? So these were the differences between text and binary files. Now when we talk about the text file, now text files are of two types. The first one is your regular text file that you normally create in Notepad. Now this type of files are saved with the .txt extension. Another type of text file is your delimited text file. Now what happens in regular text file? See, when we type any word, let's suppose I am typing a sentence, then each word of the sentence is separated by a single space. But when we talk about the delimited text file, when we will type anything, then each value will be separated by some delimiter other than single space. It can be a space, it can be a tab character, or it can be a comma. Right? So depending upon whether the delimiter is a tab key or the comma, delimited text files are further divided into two types. The first one is known as tab separated value files, which are known as TSV files. Now these files have the extension either TXT or CSV. Another type of delimited text file is your comma separated value files, that is CSV file. Now as the name suggests, tab separated values file uses tab to separate two values. Right? Tab means multiple spaces. whereas comma separated values file will use comma as a separator between two values. Let us understand it with the help of example. See, if this is my regular text file, I have written 2 lines in this file. This is my demo class and I am studying computer. Now I am considering each word of this file as a separate value. Now see, the values are separated by space in case of regular text file. Now when I write the same file, the same content in tab separated values file, that means TSV file, how it will appear? Let's see. As you can see over here, each value is separated by a tab key, right? And when we write the same content using CSV file, it will appear as this one. As you can see, every value is separated by comma. Okay, so this is how the different types of text files appear.